Hey everyone, welcome back to TechCirrus, your go-to channel for tech tools that make life easier and boost your overall efficiency. We're always looking for innovative solutions, and today's topic is no exception. Today, we're diving deep into Fireflies.ai, an incredibly powerful AI-powered meeting assistant that can literally transform the way you work, collaborate, and manage information from your daily meetings. It's a game changer for productivity. If you've ever wished for a personal note taker, a diligent transcriber, or a productivity booster that handles all the heavy lifting during your calls, this is absolutely for you. Stick around till the very end because I've got a special referral link that gives you a fantastic head start with some exclusive benefits. So, what exactly is Fireflies.ai? At its core, it's an AI meeting assistant that seamlessly joins your online meetings, whether they're on Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or any other major platform, you name it, and automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes everything discussed with remarkable accuracy. No more scrambling for notes during a fast-paced discussion or worrying about missing crucial key points. It's like having your own smart, highly efficient secretary, but way cooler, faster, and always available, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Here's why I absolutely love it and why it's become an indispensable tool for me. First, accurate transcriptions. Every single word spoken is captured with over 90% accuracy, making it fully searchable later, so you can always find what you need. Next, smart summaries. You get concise action items and key highlights instantly, saving you hours of review time. Plus, it offers multi-language support, perfect for global teams and international collaborations, breaking down communication barriers. It also features a searchable knowledge base. Just type a keyword or phrase, and you can instantly find the exact moment it was discussed within any meeting. Furthermore, AI-powered insights track talk time, sentiment, and engagement levels to improve your meeting dynamics and effectiveness over time. And the connectivity is incredible with its integrations. It works seamlessly with popular tools like Slack, Notion, various CRM systems, and many more, streamlining your workflow. Most importantly, privacy and security, Fireflies is GDPR and SOC2 compliant, ensuring your sensitive data always stays safe and protected. Imagine finishing a demanding one-hour meeting and having a full, detailed summary and a clear list of action items ready before you even have to leave the call. That's not just a convenience. That's a massive productivity game changer that frees up your valuable time. Whether you're a busy project manager overseeing multiple tasks, a sales lead managing client relationships, or just someone juggling multiple meetings and responsibilities, Fireflies.ai significantly saves you time, reduces mental energy, and helps you stay organized. For sales teams, it's invaluable as it tracks client conversations, identifies key objections, and automatically updates your CRM with crucial details. For managers, it ensures nothing falls through the cracks, providing oversight and accountability for every discussion. For creators and freelancers, it helps you focus entirely on the conversation and creative flow instead of being distracted by typing notes. And the best part, there's even a robust free plan to get started, so you can try it out and experience its benefits without spending a single dime. Getting started with Fireflies.ai is super easy and straightforward. Just click the special link I've provided in the description below, or simply use my unique referral code highlighted in desk when you're signing up for your account. By using that code, you'll instantly get extra credits and access to premium features to try out, giving you a taste of the full power of Fireflies. Trust me, once you integrate this into your workflow, you'll genuinely wonder how you ever managed to work effectively without it. If you found this detailed review helpful and believe Fireflies.ai could benefit you, please smash that like button, subscribe to TechCirrus-SG for more amazing tech insights, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future productivity hacks and tool reviews like this one. Drop a comment below if you've already tried Fireflies.ai and want to share your experience, or if there are other AI tools you'd like me to review next. Let's all make our work smarter, more efficient, and definitely not harder.